name is Lloyd Matthew G. Vilade, and I am the leader of Group 5 in Oral Council. These are my members.
My name is Imari G. Pasigna.
And I am Rehana S. Makut.
And I am Carl Sibayan.
I'm like a big Tia.
Farhan Ambor.
Wafidik Matuan. And my name is Chris Ivan Imagasu.
And
we are the Group 5.
And we are assigned to role play the emotional barrier.
And thank you.
Number 1. Pride.
Hey, Wafi, what is our activity in oral communication? Hey, Wafi,
Don't disturb me, I'm playing.
then could you tell me what are you playing then?
What do you care? It's not your game.
Oh, okay, fine.
Hey! Wow! Hey! It's your fault. It's your fault. No, it's your. If you do not get my phone, you will not get annoyed. Then I don't care.
Number 2. Anger.
Bro, get off. Hey, bro. Hey, what's happened to you?
I told you to get off of me.
God.
Sorry for that.
I understand you. I was just full of anger last time. I was just so angry with all of my classmates.
Very harmful.
I understand.
Number 3. Anxiety.